This is your notebook library, the home screen NotebookOS adds for organizing every notebook in NotebookLM. Start with folders. In the sidebar, click the plus icon to create one, give it a name and color, and pick the notebooks inside. A folder is a notebook's home, so each notebook lives in just one. Tags work alongside folders, but a notebook can carry as many as you like. Create them in the Tags section, then check the ones that apply from a notebook's edit panel. Think of folders as where a notebook lives, and tags as what it's about. To find things fast, use the toolbar. Sort by recent order, date, source count, name, or most hygiene issues. Filter with the chips, all, favorites, or any tag or folder, and the shown counter always tells you how many notebooks match. Now click the icon for the library map. It reads your whole library and surfaces themes, notebooks that overlap, and gaps like untagged or unfiled notebooks. One tip: the map measures similarity from each notebook's title, description, and summary, so the more complete your descriptions are, the sharper and more accurate the map becomes. A short description on each notebook pays off here. Next to it is library hygiene. It scores your library out of 100 and breaks issues into cards: untagged, no folder, no summary, duplicate candidates, and more. Click any card to jump to those notebooks and clean them up. And there's the whole library. Folders and tags to organize, sort and filter to navigate, the map to see the big picture, and hygiene to keep it tidy. Set it up once, and your library stays effortless to manage.